Today, I'm going to show you how to import iPhone photos to the computer by using Syncios Mobile Manager. Firstly, let's launch Syncios Toolkit. We choose Mobile Manager at this point. Before you start, you should make sure you have successfully connected your iPhone with the PC. Then click Photo Manager to start. You can see all photo albums and photo library of your iPhone through Photo Manager. Now you can select photos you want to import to your computer and click Export button to finish the process. In the end, you can see that these 3 photos have been successfully transferred to the computer. Thanks for watching this video, and we sincerely appreciate your support to Syncios.